Hello everyone, myself is Hussain and I got placed in Zensar Technologies, and I have done my course, my CCNA and CCNA of routing switching. Then I did my CCNP and CCNA of security from I-Medita only. It is actually a wonderful institute. Even I suggest many of the people to join only here, because there are many things you will going to find it here where you cannot find in most of the institute. Like you can easily have your 24/7 lab access, as well as the the faculties are totally they all are CCIs, double CCIs, and they have even multiple routers and anything. You can't find any of the problem here. And the lab access, the most of the people actually they are not convenient with the timing, because everyone has their job and everything. But I find it like proper education, proper notes I can get, and the lab access, actually that's what's required, because in some of the institutes they are teaching only of the theory part. I also want to tell about the trainers from which I was taught. Actually from CCNA, actually the Rahul sir taught me, and even for the practical part he takes it very clearly. And for CCNP, Surendra sir was the best actually. Even he has a multiple knowledge and he helped me out with the practical part. And for security, Shubham sir is good actually, like how to handle firewall, exact knowledge about the everything I got from Shubham sir only. So at last I want to convey that please do visit here, and everything you are going to find here, a better place, and ambience was good. And even for the theory or whatever books you want, you can easily get the Cisco books from here only. So thank you.